how to edit and change your username on GoDaddy. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it. First click account settings and then go to my profile, and now once you're here scroll down until you find login and pin, and then scroll down until you find this one, support pin. This one, login info, and here you can manage your username. Click edit and then type your username, and that's it. Click save, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.